Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this all-town tire repair kit. I've already been using this for over a year now, and this is a great kit to have if you have a screw or nail in your tire. It's very easy to use. So you can see this brings 68 different pieces. You have your pulling tool, the tool to make threads in the hole. You have all these valves and different knobs right here. You have your lubrication, you have your tire repair kits, you have a whole bunch right there. You have your tire gauge, you have a blade, Allen wrench, and another thread needle. It even comes with these pliers to help you pull the nail out and even to pull the tire repair kit inside. So let me show you how easy it is to use it, and let's get into it. Okay, so you can see right here, I marked where I have the screw in my tire. So now I'm gonna take out the screw with my screwdriver. So once I take out this screw, the air is gonna start coming out. I feel that it's easier to put the plug in when the air is coming out. So now I'm showing you the kit, how it looks. So I'm gonna first use this tool. So I'm gonna put the lubrication so that way it'll be easier to insert it inside the hole, and then this makes the hole a little bit larger than what the screw made, so that way when I insert the plug it'll be easier to put inside. So I'm just going to put it in and out a few times, so that way once I put the plug in it's easier to insert it, and then the lubrication also makes it easier. So you can see there. Next, I'm going to take out the plug itself. The good thing about these plugs is that they have like the adhesive already on it. So you just separate the two plastics, and then you just pull it out. Now I'm going to insert it in the tool. So first I'm going to squeeze it, the tip a little bit, just to start it inside. And then next, I'm going to take my plier and then pull it using the plier. So I'm going to also squeeze the edge just to make it easier to insert it inside. So once I start it a little bit by hand, I'm going to grab the other end with the plier and then pull it out that way. So these pliers are very useful when you're trying to pull this plug through the eye hole right here. So I like to make sure that it's nice and parallel inside. So once I pull it enough, I just double check it, and then I'm gonna add some more lubrication to it, so that way it'll be easier to insert it also. So once I add enough lubrication, I'm gonna insert it. So this part, you have to put a lot of pressure inside. So you just gotta keep on pushing. Use all your strength and power to push it inside, which is good because since you want the plug to really fill up the hole. So you add all your body weight to it, and once it's inside, then through the hole it's gonna pull out while the plug still stays inside. So you can see that the plug is still in there. And then next, I'm gonna use a blade just to cut off the extra bit that's showing. So the blade it's a good blade, it's nice and sharp, and you just go very gently, making sure that you don't cut the tire. And then here I'm already complete, and I'm gonna show you that there's no air coming out. I'm gonna add some soapy water to this just to ensure I don't see any bubbles coming out from the hole that I plugged up right now. So there's no bubbles, so this job is done. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great kit to have. I like how it comes with a lot of tire kits right here to fix your tires, and then I like how easy it is to use. I also like how it brings all these different tools also. So this is a great buy.